1 month from today, Arizona is set to execute a death row inmate convicted of murdering an ASU student. But attorneys for Clarence Dixon say that he's mentally incompetent and executing him would be a violation of the Constitution. Fox 10's Nicole Garcia is live with more. Nicole.
Ellen, Clarence Dixon's attorneys say he has a long history and a long record of suffering from paranoid schizophrenia, so they filed a motion to evaluate his mental competency. Although death penalty analysts say that 30 days isn't enough time for both sides to complete mental evaluations, and they think there's a possibility of the courts delaying his execution. Attorneys for 66-year-old Clarence Dixon say he cannot understand the reasoning behind his execution. Therefore, his execution would violate both the U.S. and Arizona constitutions, which prohibits the death of a prisoner who's insane.
Just before the murder that sent Mr. Dixon to death row, Judge Sandra Day O'Connor, who later became a highly respected conservative justice in the United States Supreme Court, Sandra Day O'Connor acquitted Mr. Dixon of another crime because of insanity.
Then Judge O'Connor ordered that Dixon be institutionalized or supervised, but that didn't happen.
And so just after having been found to be legally insane, Mr. Dixon was returned to the streets, where he very quickly committed a murder.
Dixon's attorneys also filed a challenge against the Arizona Clemency Board and Governor Ducey on Monday, arguing the board was stacked with law enforcement officers, so Dixon did not get a fair clemency hearing. Meanwhile, death penalty analysts believe the execution date should be delayed.
This is not something that in a normal and fair proceeding you would be able to do in 35 days. It would not be a surprise if a stay of execution were granted, if the court wants to have a fair and meaningful opportunity to review this. That also doesn't mean that Mr. Dixon won't be executed.
The Arizona Attorney General's office released a statement saying, quote, "For decades, convicted killers have used the court system to delay accepting responsibility for their heinous crimes. General Brnovich will continue to fight for victims, their families, and for our communities." So right now, it's wait and see. The courts could decide to go forward with the mental competency evaluation, or they could decide to deny that motion and go forward with the May 11th execution date. Reporting live, I'm Nicole Garcia, Fox 10 News.